What if you could automatically bring buyers from other sellers' live streams in your niche and bring those potential customers to your profile? Instead of spending hours searching for buyers, opening profiles, and following users manually, you can use our Whatnot Buyers scraping bot, which handles all of this automatically. In this video, I'll show you how Whatnot Buyers bot works and give you a complete demo. The concept is simple. You select the category or niche you want to target, and the bot finds relevant live streams. It opens a live stream and scrapes all the buyers. Once the collection is complete, it automatically processes those profiles and follows them one by one. So instead of targeting random users, you can focus on people who are already active and interested in your niche and spending money. Now let's move to the demo. Here we have the bot interface, and I'm going to run mode number 13, Whatnot Buyers bot. Once I start the automation, the bot begins searching for available live streams. As you can see, the bot is collecting live stream links. It then selects a live stream and joins it automatically. Once inside the live stream, it starts monitoring the activity and looking for buyer profiles. Now the bot starts collecting the buyers. You can see the user profiles being added to the list. The bot continuously checks for new users and removes duplicates, so we only keep unique profiles. Once the buyer are scraped, the bot automatically starts following all the buyer. The live stream monitoring automatically stops. Now the bot starts collecting the buyers. You can see the user profiles being added to the list. The bot continuously checks for new users and removes duplicates, so we only keep unique profiles. Once the buyer are scraped, the bot automatically starts following all the buyer. The live stream monitoring automatically stops. And that's the complete buyers mode workflow. The goal is simple. Put your Whatnot profile in front of a more relevant audience while saving hours of manual work. If you're a Whatnot seller looking to grow your profile, reach more active buyers, and save hours of manual work, this bot can help you automate the entire process. Want this Whatnot Buyers scraping bot for your own Whatnot account? Contact us today. We can provide this automation for your business and customize it according to your specific targeting and growth requirements.